Hi, I'm Gabriella Ferenzi from Language Professionals Networking Event. So each month I would record a short video to tell you about our upcoming event, what we are planning to do and why you should consider to join. So here is what we are doing on Friday the 26th of March, which is the date of our next networking event. Time. Is time your enemy or is it your ally? That's actually the question we will try to find answer to. What are your time management best practices? What works for you? How do you stay on track? How do you organize your schedule to have time for, both the urgent and the important stuff? What time management apps do you use? What habits and best practices do you have to make sure you reach your goals? So these are some of the questions that we will aim to find answers to. And instead of inviting an expert speaker, we decided to tap into the power of the community and initiate a kind of open discussion on how we can make the most out of those 24 hours that we all have. And we will all tackle this subject together. So what we are asking you to do is this. Please bring your ideas, your secrets, your do's and your don'ts, and just share them with us. But here is the challenge: in 30 seconds, because this way we will hear lots of different practical ideas that we can just, try for size if we want. So this is going to be a really dynamic event where we can all share, what works for us and exchange tips with fellow language professionals. Now, we are really, really excited just to see what comes out of this discussion. And here are some news around our house. We are changing gears and we decided to invite different hosts to our events so that it's not just always me. Don't get me wrong, I love hosting our events, but we felt that it would be really nice to give other language professionals the chance to become hosts, because it's an opportunity to bring new perspectives and offer a kind of more colorful experience to our attendees. And it's time to introduce new voices to the community. So let me introduce to you the host of this month. So this time, our dear friend Noemi Clark will be the one who's going to make sure that you will all have a great time. We have known Noemi for years now. She is a creative language teacher and language entrepreneur. She runs a business called Eclectic Minds, which she launched back in 2015. Make sure to check them out on LinkedIn and on Instagram. They are based in London and they offer small group language classes for adults in public places. Really unique business concept. So Noemi will make sure that everyone feels welcome. She will bring people together and create the right kind of environment which encourages the conversation on time management. And I will also be around, of course. I will take part in the challenge just like everyone else. And after the discussion, as usual, everyone will have the chance to introduce themselves again in 30 seconds, and we will do some structured networking, exchanging contact details and all the usual bits and pieces. We will also go into breakout rooms so that, we can have more private conversations. And side note, just remember that if you know how I can enter those breakout rooms as a host on Zoom, please let me know, because I want to be part of the fun too, and I just can't figure out how I can enter into the breakout rooms. Now, one more thing. You know that we are a non-profit initiative and we support Moorfields Eye Charity from our ticket proceeds. And we always have free tickets available as well as pay what you can tickets. The cheapest ticket is £5, but we have £10 and £15 tickets available as well. And you just select whichever suits your budget at this time. Now, in order to make sure that we can raise as much as possible for Moorfields, we decided to cap the number of available free tickets to our events at 10. So this means that each month we will have 10 free spaces available, first come, first served. So if you registered for a free ticket, but in the end you can't make it, please take a minute to cancel your registration so that others who would love to join but are not in a position at this time to afford the £5 ticket, they can also have the chance to pick up a free one. Okay, I really hope that this sounds fair. The date again is Friday, the 26th of March, 6:30 UK time, 7:30 p.m. Central European time, and 1:30 East Coast. How do you join? Well, our website is languageprofessionalsnetworking.com, and that's where you can register. So I guess that's all I wanted to say this time. Thank you so much for watching, and we really hope to see you at our March event or whenever the time is right. Take care and goodbye now.